In this video, we're going to go over the HEAR360 template. I'm going to use the HEAR360 template for Reaper, but if you're using Pro Tools, the template is designed just the same way. You can get the template by downloading it from the HEAR360 website. Okay, I'm going to open Reaper. First, you will see an error message with a bunch of missing plugins. All of those missing plugins are not necessary for the work of the template, but they are recommended. This is why Greg put them there. If you would like to use them, you can download them from their website. Okay, so in this video we're going to go over all the tracks and kind of do an overview over what each one of them is doing, but you have a more detailed videos within the segment about the functionalities of each one. And we'll start with the room tone. These are optional if you would need them. They are being spatialized with the REA surround, which is native to Reaper. And we have one that is routed to earth and one that is routed to sky. Which leads us to the next main thing about the template. All of those brown channels are either mono or stereo tracks that are being spatialized by being sent to either earth or sky. Earth and sky are adding the HRTFs and spatializing the tracks. Earth is spatializing in eye level and sky is spatializing in higher elevation. So in general, all of our work spatializing mono and stereo tracks are happening here within the brown tracks. And if we will open the effect panel, you will find the Meridian plugin, which is a panning tool using a video. You can find a separate video about the Meridian plugin in the segment. And you will also find the REA surround, which is another option to spatialize your tracks. Notice that you have the presets right up here. These are based on if you're sending the track either to earth or sky. Notice the routing. Over here you will find where it's sent to. This one specifically goes to reverb earth and earth, meaning that if I don't want it to reverb, I will delete the reverb routing. But if I would want it to be sent to earth and sky, I should find a track that's being sent to earth and sky, like this one, and duplicate it. Next we have channel 15. This is where we put all of our spatialized sound, which then being encoded and added to the mix. Pay attention that if you have a quad binaural recording like from the 8-ball, that you put in track number 20. You will also notice that you will be missing this plugin. You can go to their website and download it for free. Check out the Inserting Spatialized Sound into the Template video to learn more about how to download and work with this plugin. Okay, next we have Earth and Sky. Technically there's nothing that we're doing with these tracks, but everything's being sent to them. And same with the reverb channel. Each one of them has a reverb channel, which then you can modify within here. If you wouldn't want to have a reverb, so just make sure that you don't send anything within the brown channel into the reverb. Next we have track number 20. This is a recording from the 8-ball. And if we will go to the effects panel, we will see that we have the Compass plugin. This plugin is helping us reorient spatial sound. This is a quad binaural recording, meaning that it's spatial by itself because of the position it was recording. Therefore, it doesn't need to be sent to earth and sky to add HRTFs and spatialize it again. So it can just be added naturally into the mix. And next we have those 4 reverb channels for the 8-ball. We have 4 because it's basically stereo reverb to each direction. Channel 25 is your place to add some mastering to your mix. You will see that I don't have all of those plugins because I didn't install them, but this is your place to add some EQ, some excitement. You should check out the video mastering tips. In our video mastering tips, Greg tells us all of his secrets regarding mastering his spatialized mix, so you should check out that. Next, number 26. This is the head tracking track. From here you can connect to a video and then experience your mix live before you export to all directions. It's a very powerful tool. Check out the HEAR360 control plugin to learn more about that. Track number 27, there's not much to do with it. And track number 28, this is where we record our session after our work is done. Check out the exporting from the HEAR360 video to learn more about that. Okay, that's pretty much it. Again, if you are working with Pro Tools, the template is set up the same way, and you have more detailed videos about the work with those plugins in the segment. See you in the next videos.